Good morning, everyone. Hi, Tux. Hi. Here you go. Hi. Hi, Morris. The good dry chow came yesterday. It's mixed in with that yucky stuff, so you should be happy. I'm sure they'll... when the dry chow is the one they like, and when it's really fresh, it smells really, fresh, they tend to eat more of that than the wet food, the canned food, the chicken. I hate it that it's gotten so low in the pot, but I love how great the moss looks in there right now. And you can see my clematis vine coming to life. I am watching the temperatures every day to make sure it's not going to frost freeze. I mean, we're in trouble if it freezes, but I'm also watching out for aphids. So I can do something sooner than later if I need to. Stripe's headed down into the creek over there. It's a really nice morning. I can see why he would want to be exploring. We are headed to the gym this morning. It's kind of one of those days where maybe I would rather be outside, but also need to do what I'm doing and feel like I need to do what I'm doing in the gym. Hey, Gray. Hi. Hi. Good morning. Hi, pretty girl. Hi. Yeah, I was pulling some grass. I probably got some ground smells on me. Outdoorsy stuff. Hi. Good girl. It's that time again.
Oh, joy.
Oh, Don drove me past the post office. I had to mail some robot parts to Johnny. Every time I try to talk, every time. I can't win. Some days it just feels like that. And it doesn't matter if it's home or if it's here. It's a beautiful day. It's supposed to be 79. This Yama is looking really pretty here in the sunlight. I've been, well, I cleaned out all of the dead leaves on this one and this one. Been standing here for about 15 minutes just, cleaning things up. My peonies out of the ground and looking happy, which is nice. Now these are wild, not planted. Some people consider them weeds, but with all those pretty purple flowers, I just can't be too upset about them. I pull some of it out in some places, but over here I let it go and it looks nice, I think. And the violas are still looking amazing. Everybody's here. There's Tux and Morris. Marty's in the tall chair. And Stripe just went this way. See what I mean about the flowering quince? It stays blooming and looking pretty for at least 3 weeks, maybe even 4. I noticed a little dead in the top of my lemon cypress here. It was a rough winter for us with some of those cold nights. Pyrrhus is still looking amazing. And that lasts a pretty good long time too. It reminds me of the flowers on Lily of the Valley. I think that's why I like it. My spirea back there is starting to come back. The 2 barberries that I need to get in the ground are leafing out and looking good. I'm hoping I'm going to have a daffodil tomorrow. It's close. There's one on the corner here. I think tomorrow could be the day. I do see my Ryusin maple in the pot there has leaves coming out on it. My hostas are up. It won't be long before I'll be going to buy impatiens and begonias. Won't be long at all. Marty, you almost got hurt, honey. Almost. Falling over right at my feet like that. Oh, these two are so cute together. They play pretty nice. Bloodgood is coming back there, that Japanese maple. This one is coming out. I had noticed on this one that the very ends of some of it had some dead growth on the very ends, but it otherwise looks really healthy. The hydrangea here is doing its thing. It's definitely known for getting frostbite, so hopefully not. And we got lots of shower curtains and lots of spikes to let the shower curtain rest on. I see this butterfly bush has got some growth on it. That one was new last year. I have no clue about this thing, but I'm just going to leave it alone until after April 15th, and then I'll probably cut off some of it, the top part. Stripe came by and rubbed up against it and broke a piece off the top, which definitely I knew the top part was dead. These guys are just resting here waiting for where I'm going to put them. And this butterfly Japanese maple is has its leaves opening up too. Hi, buddy. You're such a good boy. Aren't you a good boy? Thought so. I knew. I knew. I knew you were a good boy. Let's not forget the creeping Jenny coming back everywhere too. All in the pots and stuff. It won't be long. The dianthus is coming back nicely. It may not get enough sun here to bloom, but it's, you know, not dead. A lot of the little Japanese maples over here are showing leaves, signs of leaves now also. Four eggs, a little bit of Vidalia onion, a little bit of cheese, a little bit of salsa, 5 pieces of bacon, and about 6 ounces of chuck eye steak. That's Don's lunch, brunch, dinner, whatever. It's his meal. Well, surprise, surprise. Morris is up on the bench besides Tux. Stripe just rubbed my legs. He was down here at the end of the boardwalk. Wow, it's nice out here. Really nice. I had a nice video editing / nap section with Gray. It's a little after 5. We had such a nice lunch that we're not going to eat anymore today. We're done with food. I'm going to go work on Legos for a bit. Don's still in his office. I am, you know, hot and heavy printing Easter stuff now. I have a little house thing here. Then I need some help from Dawn to assemble. But, yeah. It's very hard to get these off one-handed, so hang on. It's cute as can be. I did not have any glue on the plate, and this corner lifted on me. I've had that happen before with the door corners. I don't know exactly why. I'm going to probably just try to print it again, because it's darned cute. It won't keep me from using it right. I mean, the front looks good, so... I hate it when things lift, which is not often, but sometimes. First thing on the agenda today is to fix Cinderella's carriage. I believe I have all of the pieces, including the horse, so we'll see if I can get it. This is, well, I took a couple pieces off, but this is roughly what it looks like, partially complete. The wheels are just so cool. And I have lots of these wheels and other parts upstairs. So I'm sure if I don't have all the pieces in the bin, I can go find what I need. Don's walking back from the mailbox. I'm going to catch up with him. We were going to sit on the bench for a few minutes. He's done for the day. And, you know, you got to make good use of all these pretty days. Looks like I got a piece of trash on my driveway. Yeah, we'll pick it up on the way back. Hey, office warrior. Yeah, we don't have a lot of steps today when we're at the gym. So do we have any mail? That's not Legos. See.
Not a bill.
Well, that's good. It's probably, is it junk mail?
Junk mail. Credit card off.
Okay. Artie's doing that cat thing where I offered to rub his belly and he plops away, down 3 feet away and then shows me how wonderful his belly is by, you know, going back and forth, but not going to come closer. Right, Mart? And Tux is doing grooming and Morris is being Morris. Hey, buddy. Hi. Morris was outright affectionate with me this morning. He's really come around in the last 6 months. I don't know where Stripe is. I saw him a few minutes ago. Hi, Tux. I'm not bad, kitty Tux. He's always talking to Tux like he's trying to convince him. There are 2 or 3 pieces missing, but they're not the special pieces. And this set does have a little fountain and other thing, which I'm not at this time planning to rebuild. Thanks, Nighttime, for the help. I appreciate it, sweet girl. Anyway, I've got it back together. And the couple of pieces that are wrong, I'll get around to fixing on my next order. I'll order the parts. I haven't ignored you all day. Don't try to tell them that I have.